Are you looking for the best Tamagoyaki pan? In this video, we will break down the top 3 Tamagoyaki pans. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, Copper Chef Square Fry Pan. This comes in a set of 3. One is an 8-inch griddle pan and 2 9.5-inch pan with 11-inch glass lids. This pan is square to allow you to cook more food. It features the stainless steel base for quicker conduction of heat as well as the ease of use on induction stovetops. You can use these pans on electric, gas, or ceramic heating surfaces. It has a ceramic coating, which means nothing will stick as you cook. The ceramic coating is free of harmful chemicals like the PTFE. It allows you to cook with minimal oil or none if you wish. The ceramic coating with the help of the stainless steel base gives the pan an even heating system where you don't have hot spots. Cleaning the copper cookware is also a breeze. If you season the pans with oil after cleaning in a dishwasher, the item will last longer. The handles are made of stainless steel and they offer not only a firm non-slip grip but also safety when you wish to toss your food. At number 2, GREENPAN Mini Ceramic 5-inch Egg Pan. Ever seen or heard of those pans that can only fry one egg? Well, this is one. You could conceivably squeeze in 2 eggs, but the problem with 2 is, depending on the size of your eggs, they will reach the rivets and stick. Despite its small size, it performs excellently, although there are few reports of sticking. If this happens to you, try cleaning the pan with baking soda or barkeeper's friend, thermalin. The ceramic nonstick coating is supposed to be scratch resistant. This ceramic nonstick fry pan is ideal for people who like one fried egg at a time, perhaps for a sandwich or light breakfast. At number 3, MYLIFEUNIT Non-Stick Omelette Pan. This features the use of a heavy-duty kind of metal which is aluminum and manganese alloy. It further features the best coating, which is MYLIFEUNIT stone coating. The sloppy shape is ideal for flipping the omelets, pancakes, and sandwiches. There's nothing so vital as the even and quick base heating when you're cooking your omelet. This pan has a magnetic conductive base that is made using stainless steel. It also heats up very fast. The perfect handle that is made using ABS material is fireproof. It's also long, allowing you to flip and turn your food with ease. The design of handle fixation to the pan also ensures the pan is firmly in place to avoid falling as you cook. Moreover, the pan is ideal for induction surfaces, gas stoves, and other radiant cookers. The material used in the construction retains heat and thus you should use it on low flame.